So here it's really beautiful. We can see here a small lake and a lot of plants and trees is surrounding here, and many birds are coming every day. There's a beautiful wind, so you can sit here to enjoy your evening. So life is always beautiful in this village. You don't want to mess with the people, those who are living here. Here people are always happy, always. Because of the land, because of the people. So there's the most beautiful thing, everything is natural. You can eat and drink coconut tree and coconut. You know, this is incredible place. So in this village kitchen we are going to make evening food. So for the dinner we are going to prepare here in this beautiful place. There's a pot, there's some rice as we are going to cook. The evening in my village is really beautiful. The sun is going to down. That's the most beautiful places. So here is the evening time in my village, and this is my village kitchen. How beautiful my beautiful village. Look at that, a lot of flies and everywhere. So all trees are there. Beautiful evening. That's beautiful. Mangoes are here. So there's a pond. Incredibly beautiful, this nature. So look at this. Beautiful flowers and plants and trees are here. The very places on earth. So I'm trying to find some beautiful fishes. So here I could see some fishes and animals. It's all over here. So in this pond, all places are like greenish.